Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the navigation function on the Garmin Instinct. So the first thing we'll be doing is saving a location so that then we can navigate to it later. The way we do that is by holding down the GPS button. The watch will now acquire satellites and then figure out the exact coordinates of my location, and then we can save it from there. Once it comes up with your coordinates, all you need to do is press the GPS button to save the location. Now the location has been saved. We can edit this location by pressing the ABC button. We can change the name, change the icon, even change the position and elevation. So say you wanted to put a custom GPS coordinates in here, you would do this by selecting the position option, and then you could go through and edit the different coordinates that are available. You can also delete the location. Now that we have a location created, all we need to do to navigate to that location is select the GPS button to bring up all the activities, find navigation in the list, then in the navigation menu, scroll down until you see saved locations. So I'm going to select this saved location and then press Go To actually navigate to it. Now the navigation has started. Inside the navigation, I can select the ABC button and menu button to go up and down. So I can see, just like an activity, I can see my ETE, ETA, distance remaining, things like that. It's pretty cool. There are also different screens available. If you go up using the menu button, you have the time of day, the heart rate zone, and then some lap information. So one quick thing, say I'm in the middle of my navigation and I want to quickly go back to my original starting point. All I need to do is select the GPS button, then select the back button, and then go down to back to start. Then in the back to start options, we have tracback, which is going to navigate me on the exact path that I took to get to the current location, or straight back, which is going to be the quickest way to get back, which is just a straight line. You also have the option to save your navigation. One more quick thing about the navigation, if you hold down the menu button, you see you have options here. You can pan and zoom in the map, which is pretty cool. So you can zoom in, then you can even, by selecting the GPS button, pan up and down the map, so you can do left and right, you can do up and down. It's pretty cool. Inside the navigation, we can also change the navigation settings. These will edit the displayed fields, the data screens, all that kind of stuff. We can do that by holding down the menu button, then going down to navigation settings and selecting data screens. There are tons of options in here, including alerts, so you can set alerts for off course, different things like that. So very cool. I recommend checking that out. So that was a quick overview of how to use the navigation feature on the Garmin Instinct. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.